I'm Sumona Sinha. Welcome to Radio Bharati. Let's begin with the top news updates of the day. The headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi to formally inaugurate 18th Pravasi Bharatiya Divas Convention at Janta Maidan in Bhubaneswar. President Murmu to begin visit to Meghalaya, Odisha. India and Afghanistan's Taliban government hold talks in Dubai. New Delhi conveys its readiness to respond to urgent developmental needs of Afghan people. ISRO again postpones docking experiment of its two satellites under Spartex mission. Oil prices up as supply from Russia and OPEC members tightens. Domestic markets and flat. Kapila Crasto exit in mixed doubles round of 16. Jib Jensen's hat-trick guides Tamil Nadu Dragons to 6-5 win. Now news in brief. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will formally inaugurate the 18th Pravasi Bharatiya Divas Convention at Bhubaneswar this morning. The theme of this year's Pravasi Bharatiya Divas Convention is Diaspora's Contribution to a Viksit Bharat. A large number of Indian diaspora members from several countries are participating in the convention. Several union ministries, including Dr. S. Jaishankar, Ashwini Vaishnav, Jewel Oram and Chief Minister of Odisha, Mohan Charan Majhi, will be attending the convention. President Draupadi Murmu will be on a visit to Meghalaya and Odisha from today. President will grace the Golden Jubilee celebrations of the ICAR Research Complex for the North-Eastern Hill region at Umiam in Meghalaya. Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri and Acting Foreign Minister of Afghanistan Maulavi Amir Khan Muttaqi discussed various issues pertaining to bilateral relations as well as regional developments in Dubai yesterday. External Affairs Ministry said in a statement that in the meeting, Foreign Secretary underlined India's historic friendship with the Afghan people and the strong people-to-people contacts between the two countries. He conveyed India's readiness to respond to the urgent developmental needs of the Afghan people. Indian Space Research Organization has further postponed the docking experiment of its two satellites rotating in low Earth orbit under the Spartex mission. The space agency has tweeted that the decision to postpone docking was taken due to the detection of excess drift between the two satellites. Oil prices continued their upward trend today as supplies from Russia and OPEC members tightened. In intraday trade, Brent crude was trading at around $77.20 per barrel. WTI crude also logged marginal gains to trade at around $74.60 per barrel, as per the latest reports. Benchmark domestic equity indices ended nearly flat in a volatile trade today. The 30 share index at Bombay Stock Exchange Sensex dropped 51 points to close at 78,148. Similarly, the National Stock Exchange Nifty 50 ended marginally down by 19 points to settle at 23,689. In Malaysia Open Badminton, India's Dhruv Kapila and Tanisha Crespo faced a setback in the mixed doubles round of 16 after losing to the 7th-seeded Chinese pair of Xing Cheng and Qi Zhang 13-21, 20-22 in Kuala Lumpur this morning. Earlier, the Indian duo defeated South Korea's Sung Hyun Ko and Hae Won Om 21-13, 21-14 in the round of 32 yesterday. In Hockey India League, Dutch drag flicker Jib Jensen's hat-trick guides Tamil Nadu Dragons to a 6-5 win over Team Gonasika at the Birsa Munda Hockey Stadium in Rourkela last night. The result takes the Tamil Nadu Dragons to the second spot in the standings with 9 points in 4 matches. That's all for the day. For more such updates, stay tuned to Radio Bharati. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.